This is my final project presentation of CS50X by Harvard University. This web app is called AltPDF and is coded with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the help of Bootstrap and JQuery running on the Flask framework of Python. AltPDF can split or merge PDF files, which means it can split the PDF into two independent parts after a specific page. Also, it can merge multiple PDFs into one single PDF file. For instance, I start with the split option and I upload my PDF file. Now I can enter a page number to split the PDF after that page. But what happens if I enter a number which isn't in the range of PDF total pages? As expected, it alerts me and I can retry. So I click the check button and now can see the PDF pages before and after the entered number. If everything is alright, I'll click on submit. And boom, I've got my PDF split into two independent parts. And now I can download them. Also, these files are temporarily stored in the server and will be removed automatically after 5 minutes. Or I can remove them instantly by clicking this button. And it's gone. By the way, if I want to, I can change the color mode. Now let's merge some PDFs. Unlike the split option, I should choose multiple PDFs. And now I can drag and drop to merge them in the order I want. And this was CS50. Thanks for watching.